We at Steve's. Got the chuck roast. We went about 5.5 pound chuck roast. We're gonna smoke this over some Jealous Devil coals with some Vaughn woods, pecan or hickory, I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna smoke some potatoes with some rosemary and some other goodness on it. We gonna get it popping. All right, y'all, I'm out. Alright, y'all, I'm back. We got the signals running good. Billows is kicking butt. Jealous Devil and the Vaughn wood is smoking it out. Chuck roast is looking good. I'm about to go in here and set up the potatoes. We're gonna throw those on in the second rack so some of the juices will fall down on it too. Get it right, you know. But where we at? So right now we sitting at 257 on the Smoky Mountain and currently 89 on the chuck roast, which is pretty cool. It's pretty dope. I've been checking it out while I've been sitting there watching Jackson play Fortnite. So that's super dope that you can just do that from your couch.